Righto guys, so this is just a quick video on what camera gear I use after a nice awesome comment from, I believe, from Josh Winters. Cheers mate, thanks for the comment, keep it coming. So all the camera gear I use is all here at the moment. I haven't got a great deal, pardon me. So the very first stuff we use on our camera gear on the first, I think 5 videos or 6 videos was my old GoPro 7 and my phone. That's all we had. So the GoPro 7 and a little bracket and a spare battery. I think the GoPro 7 only had like a 30 gig SD card or memory card in it too. So that's all we originally had, was just the phone and the GoPro 7. But why not give it a crack? But what I now have in my collection, which I've been slowly building up over time, is we have a tripod and my phone, which is what I'm recording off right now, which is awesome. Still using the GoPro 7. Not all that long ago, bought a GoPro 11, and with that I got a little charger box and free battery kit as well. They have spares. It has a 125 memory card in it. Obviously the stand. I've got assortments of bits and pieces, and then I've got Tamara's little GoPro 7. Hers is a bit different because her battery is built in, so it can only be like a one-time use until it goes flat, and then we've got to recharge it. So we've got 3 GoPros. The primary is obviously the new 11 and then the little 7s that we try and use. Recently brought the chest harness when we do our little walks or adventures, and then I eventually got a little microphone that plugs into my phone to try and get a bit more better quality. That's one of our biggest challenges, was the volume and microphone and audio quality. So we are getting there, and now what I've just recently got is this DJI microphone kit, which I'm actually using right now, which I got exposed on my shirt. It has a little fluff ball in it with a little display. So this does come with 2. So this one here on the side is exactly what it looks like, and it has a little fluff ball like this in a little bag. I can just clip on, and then I can stick it anywhere I want, or have a little magnet and try and hold it up somewhere, like inside of a shed if I need to have it hanged up somewhere, which is awesome to have. Just don't lose the magnet because they do come off. So yep, comes in its own little kit. This box is also a charger too, so you just plug it in, charge it up. So this is very new. This is actually the first time I'm using this. So hopefully the audio quality is a lot better, and it's getting better. That's my goal. So I do have that coming, working, testing it out. I do have the bag for my little GoPro kit itself, where I keep all the camera bits and pieces. And then just a little bag that I had, which I can't remember where I got it from. I've had this for donkey years, where I try and keep all the gear in one location, so I know where everything is, keep everything charged, ready to go when we do these nice little videos. So good time, mate. Thank you for commenting. This is what I have at the moment. We are getting more gear as we get progress in the channel. Hopefully the audio quality is getting better. Hopefully the video quality is getting better, and you guys can hopefully see more. This is a learning curve for all of us. So there's only 2 to 3 people who's actually doing this channel. So I've got Danny, who's giving me a hand off and on when he can, and I've got Tamara, who's giving me a hand off and on when she can with filming and bits and pieces and setting up. So stay tuned guys, let's keep checking it out. Hopefully the adventures are getting more wild, more better and more thrilling. Hopefully I can keep doing the DIYs and general car maintenance stuff, which is actually what I'm about to do. So if you want, stick around. I think the next video coming out should be about changing out a tension pulley unit in my car. So I'm about to start that right now. So let's get cracking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys around on Ongoing Adventures. And just like that, another episode of Ongoing Adventures is done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share to all your friends and family, and I'll catch you on the next one.